We are at Blue Ravine Rd right now. And Folsom Blvd. Here are some Polara buttons. Polara EN4.
Wait to cross Folsom Blvd at Blue Ravine. Wait to cross Folsom Blvd at Blue Ravine. Wait to cross Folsom Blvd at Blue Ravine. Folsom Blvd. Walk sign is on the cross. Folsom Blvd. Folsom Blvd. Walk sign is on 24, 23, 22, 21, 20.
Someone has a countdown.
12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
See one on this side?
Wait to cross Folsom Blvd at Blue Ravine. Wait.
Yep, saying wait.
Wait.
This one says wait.
Wait. Folsom Blvd. Walk sign is on the cross. Folsom Blvd. Folsom Blvd. Walk sign is on 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now let's go over to where you cross Blue Ravine Rd.
Wait, traveling north.
This one just says traveling north, doesn't say the
Wait,
name of the street.
wait, traveling north. Wait, traveling north.
So
Walk
this-
sign is on. Walk sign is on. Walk sign is on. Walk sign 23, 22.
Whoa! That one just says walk sign is on instead of the name of the street. Now let's go over to this walk signal over here. The other way.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait to cross Blue Ravine at Folsom Blvd. Wait.
Okay, so the one over there says just traveling the direction, but this one says the name of the street. It's kind of interesting how that works.
Wait.
Gonna go off pretty soon.
Wait.
But I'm just saying wait right now.
Wait. Wait.
We'll wait for it to turn yellow. It's green right now.
Wait.
Oh, turning yellow, it's about to go off.
Blue Ravine. Walk sign is on the cross. Blue Ravine. Blue Ravine. Walk sign is on 23, 22, 21, 20.
As a countdown. Now let's go to where you're crossing Folsom Blvd. And this is pretty cool. There's not a time for petexing, it's just like this. I'm right before Natoma Station.
Wait to cross Folsom Blvd at Blue Ravine. Wait.
Going out pretty soon.
Wait. Folsom Blvd. Walk sign is on the cross. Folsom Blvd. Folsom Blvd. Walk sign is on 21, 22,
The same one at EN4 on this side.
2, 1. Wait to cross Folsom Boulevard at Blue Ravine. Wait.
Let's go to this one on this side.
Wait, traveling south.
Oh, this one says traveling south.
Wait.
Another one, I think.
Walk sign is on. Walk sign is on. Walk sign is on. Walk sign. 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm gonna press it to go again.
Wait, traveling south. Wait.
Across the street to get to the other ones. Yeah, this one just says traveling south. That one over there is the same programmed one, and this one just says traveling south.
Wait, traveling south. Wait, traveling south. Wait.
Yep, just traveling south.
Wait.
The door's gonna go off.
Wait. Walk sign is on the cross. Folsom Boulevard. Folsom Boulevard. Walk sign is on. 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go to this one.
Wait. Wait. Walk sign is on. Walk sign is on. Walk sign is on. Walk sign. 18, 17.
Okay, so that one just says walk sign is on, and then some of the other ones are programmed. It's kind of interesting and a little different.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's see what this one says.
Wait to cross Blue Ravine at Folsom Boulevard. Wait.
Still in the EN4. Anyways, I'm gonna go to a different intersection now. See you later.